YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto Jay coming at you guys with yet another Jay Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we are going to dive into some more Turbo Coin because again, guys, we're seeing some price action happen with Turbo Coin. I want to talk about it. Before we talk about that, guys, I want to talk about what's going on with Bitcoin, because of course Bitcoin is the market driver in the market. So you guys could see our total market cap today coming in at $2.3 trillion. Bitcoin coming in at 68K, holding some support, boys. That's good, right? Holding some support at 68K. The Agreed Index slowly starting to tick its way up too, at a 61 right now, right? Just on the 10th, we were talking about how we were at a 48. Today, we're at a 61. We're going to talk about what that could mean. We're also going to talk about a little bit of Bitcoin, so let's click on it and see what's going on with Big Bit. As you guys could see, it is Sunday today, guys. You do know that we do see a little bit of sell-off usually going into the weekend, so again, not too surprised. It looks like Bitcoin's just breathing right now. Still holding some support, like I said, at 68K. Under this, we have some support at 66K. But will we see a retest of 66K, or will we just see Bitcoin continue to go up? As you guys could see, 70% of people extremely bullish right now. This is growing in bullishness. As you guys could see, a lot of people saying Bitcoin is about to break 70K. I personally, guys, am very much feeling good about the market right now. And of course, guys, just before I get into any more of this content or anything like that, I just want you guys to understand that this is not financial advice. Okay, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrency is highly risky, and whatever you decide to do with your money after watching this video is a result of your own research, guys. Do not go out and buy anything that you see in this video. How about that? Don't go out and buy anything that you see in this video. Now you can't hold me liable. How about that? But again, guys, Bitcoin looking very bullish right now. Even on this 1 month chart, you could see Bitcoin creating this nice cup and handle. And then, of course, on our 1 year chart, we talk about the fact that we were breaking out of this falling wedge just back in September. And guys, look, we're starting to see this thing round out again. Could we see another cup and handle form over here on this 1 year chart? You look at our all-time chart, right? You could see big cup and handle playing out right here, as well as this massive bull flag that we were talking about. Now, again, we are showing Bitcoin holding some support at 68. But guys, how long can this hold? I don't know. I don't think we're gonna be sitting at 68 for very long, dude. I think that, again, I feel very good about Bitcoin. So I do think that we're going to start breaking out of some of this resistance pretty soon. So without further ado, guys, oh wait, before we jump into Turbo, I know y'all ready for Turbo, but before we jump into Turbo, we want to talk about the Fear Greed Index, because again, guys, we're back in the green and doing something very bullish actually in the Fear Greed Index. You guys could see, we talked about the fact that what was going on back here just a year ago, guys. I've been talking about this all October. What was happening about right here is looking similar to what was happening right here. And I was even saying that, guys, I was saying we were in the yellow last time. We were like right here. I was like, dude, I think we're about right here. I think we need one more retest, and then we're going to take off. As you guys could see, we are starting to take off. As you guys could see, again, that wedge forming, and now this thing cracking up back into the green, boys. Back into the green. We're no longer in yellow. We are in the green today. And again, I do think that we're going to see something similar to what we saw here, where this thing just goes on a tear, just based again off of all those bullish indicators on Bitcoin. They just kind of line up with what the Fear Greed Index chart is saying. And I feel like, again, that's why 70% of people are bullish on Bitcoin right now. Anyway, guys, I had to get that off my chest. So let's talk about Turbo Coin today, because you guys can see Turbo Coin seeing a little bit of price action today. I did talk about in my last video that it looked like it was creating somewhat of a double bottom. It looked like it did, guys. It looked like it created a double bottom. And now it looks like Turbo Coin is seeing where it kind of wants to go, right? You can see right here, past 12 hours, double bottom forming. If you look at some of these larger charts, right? If I'm on the 1 year chart, you could see that there is this cup and handle that is already forming. This is the cup, this is the handle. We might see this thing rip up to a new all-time high pretty soon, actually. As you guys could see, up 7% today, seeing the volume that it needs. Can Turbo Coin be trending over again on DEX tools? It's a possibility, right? I definitely think if Bitcoin wants to pump, that there's a very strong possibility that a lot of people are going to be paying attention to Turbo Coin. As you guys could see, still sitting under $1 billion market cap right now, coming close to 41,000 holders. I just made a video just yesterday talking about how this coin had already just hit 40,000 holders, and you guys could see they're just exploding in growth, guys. Almost up 1,000 holders in a day. and really starting to grow. They just had an AMA yesterday. It was amazing, guys. If you guys didn't have time to check out that AMA, they do have it over on their Twitter. And I would suggest following them on Twitter, guys. If you're interested in a coin like this, you should always be paying attention to developments. One thing I really like about this community too, guys, is just the amount of talent behind this community is absolutely crazy. Also, if you guys look right here, guys, talking about how they're going to be listing on KILOEX. They're going to be listed on KILOEX. They're going to be, or no, they're not listed on KILOEX. I'm sorry, but they're trading futures. So they're trading futures on KILOEX over here. And oh yeah, it does say that they have a new listing. So they did list over here. So we'll see, guys. We'll see what's going to happen with that. And again, guys, if you guys want to hear that AMA, you can hear it over here as well. So what do you guys think, though? What are your price predictions for Turbo Coin? Again, I like this coin. It's a coin that I'm definitely paying attention to. I'm definitely going to be watching this. As you guys can see right here, too, we are holding some key support right here on Turbo Coin. And in my opinion, this is good, right? We've already created our bottom on these more macro charts, and now we're trying to, hold this as some support, which again is a good thing if you want to see this thing start to round out its pattern and hopefully continue to go up. But again, guys, things can always break down. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know anything. It's not financial advice. Cryptocurrency, highly volatile, guys. So go out there and do your research. But again, guys, if you're holding Turbo Coin, I want to know how much. You guys could see past 7 days, those guys are up 63%. But are these guys going to be up even bigger than that? I honestly feel really good about Turbo, guys. I really feel good about Turbo. This chart's looking like it needs to see what's going to play out again. If you look at different charts, they're looking a little different, right? The 1 day chart looks really good though. So I like the 1 day chart personally because again, we're seeing a little bit of volatility with Bitcoin. Also, look at this 3 day chart looking like this thing wants to crack up, boy. But again, also could be a bear flag too, right? But again, I don't think that this is a bear flag because we've already formed somewhat of a double bottom on some of these more smaller charts. So only time will tell, boys. Only time will tell. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think that Turbo Coin needs to see a little bit of correction, or do you think it's straight to the moon, boys? If you guys think it's straight to the moon, comment section, straight to the moon. I definitely want to know, guys. And of course, guys, we're going to keep continuing to cover Turbo Coins. If you like updates on this coin, make sure you hit that subscribe button, show your boy some love. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.